Rebuilding trust is a gradual process that requires honesty, patience, and consistent effort. The first step is acknowledging the breach and taking full responsibility without making excuses. Open and honest communication is essential. Listen actively, validate emotions, and express genuine remorse. Trust isn't restored with words alone. Actions must align with commitments over time. Be transparent, reliable, and consistent in your behavior. Give the other person space to heal while demonstrating a sincere willingness to make amends. Setting clear boundaries and expectations can help prevent future misunderstandings and create a healthier foundation. Avoid pressuring them to forgive quickly. Trust is rebuilt at its own pace. If the process feels overwhelming, seeking professional guidance can be beneficial. With dedication, accountability, and mutual effort, trust can be restored, allowing relationships to grow even stronger than before. True healing happens through understanding, respect, and a genuine commitment to change.